Pizza in an iPad, sweet stash in a phone, a tasty ruler, and sour belt bookmarks? Check out weird ways to sneak food into college. It's Alex's birthday today. We didn't forget. We got some presents for him. This is an iPad with a secret inside. Attach a printed picture of an iPad to a cardboard box that's about this big. Put in a slice of pizza. Add an eye pencil to go with it. Shape white fondant into a thin cylinder. Cut the end. Make it look like a pencil. Attach a silver rim made out of foil. Thanks, guys! I've been dreaming about having one of these for so long. You are so sweet! Oh, your iPad doesn't work? Look what's inside. This isn't a regular iPad, it's a special iPizza edition. Surprise! Fine, at least the pencil is real. You wish, it's edible too. Try it! Phone games are so tiring. Time to have a snack. You can hear something rustling at the back of the room. Well, someone has candy. Can I have some? It happens every time. My hungry friends eat all my candy. But I'm not mad about it. Let's go to Plan B, my phone stash. Cut a pocket out of a plastic folder. Fill it with sprinkles. Cut a triangular flap out of the folder and glue it to a phone case. Attach the pocket with candy to the bottom. Add a cut. And cover the pocket with the flap. Trace the pocket with a black marker. No one knows about my candy in the pocket on my phone. What's that sound? I don't know, you guys. You can see I don't have anything. Hey, look! I have a present for you. It's a bright and stylish headband. Clean a headband with sanitizer. Apply edible glue to it. And attach Skittles. This is so cute! Thanks! Does it look good on me? Sure! You just have to sit still and let us eat the candy. You are such a good classmate! I need to take a selfie with my new headband on. What? There's barely anything left! I'm listening to music and chewing gum during a break, right until my group mates notice me. Everyone needs to freshen up their breath right now. I always have some special gum for situations like this. Cut the clip off a marker. And wrap it in a Hubba Bubble label. Use double-sided tape. Cut the label along the cap so the marker can open. Glue the edges. I'll create a distraction. The important thing is to throw the marker as far as possible. And now I can't waste any precious seconds. Run, Forrest, run! Let's prank our friend. Are you actually eating glue? Yeah, this is a new life hack we saw on the internet. If you want to lose weight, you have to eat glue. Half a stick 3 times a day. Clean a glue stick container. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add red and blue food coloring. Make a purple mixture. Sprinkle your hands with powdered sugar. And shape a roll. Put the sweet stick into the container. Want to try some? Stop! We were just joking! Jeez! Do you have a crush on a college girl? Go on a date right in the middle of class. Why waste time? Fun chats, flirting, and snacks. Especially when everything you need is right here. Your classmates' hoods make a perfect holder for your snacks. Here we have a fridge with ice. Want some cold Coke? And here we have chips. Enjoy! What a great date in the back of the room! Are you out of gum? I have some sweet, tasty bookmarks. Cut wide strips out of a clear plastic folder. Put them together in pairs and seal the edges with a flat iron. Sanitize the inside and put in sour belts. Here are my candies. Come to mama, babies. This smell makes the students crave sweets. Candy! My precious! Oh, hungry students! Here, this is for you. Get yourself a bookmark. Bon appetit! Hey, buddy!
What?
Want some fresh headphones? I already have headphones, genius! Look, it's not about headphones, it's about the case! Put Fruittella candy into an AirPods case. There's candy stashed inside the case! Ooh! That's a great idea! It'll be enough to go around. Have some! What a difficult assignment! I always chew on a ruler when I'm anxious. Hey man, be careful with your teeth. You'll need them for your diploma. I have a harmless, edible ruler for you. Melt white chocolate in a microwave. Add pink food coloring. Coat a cracker with the chocolate. Wait for the chocolate to harden and draw hatch marks on it using a food marker. Turns out this ruler is tasty. I ate it down to the last inch. Thanks! Now I feel better. Professor Cosine is acting kinda weird today. First he cleans his shoes right in class. And then he eats his shoe polish. It's really delicious with crackers. Melt milk chocolate chips. Add heavy cream. Stir the mixture. And add black food coloring. Pour the chocolate mass into a clean shoe polish container. Does anybody want some? No? Too bad. This polish is delicious. Oh, I knew it! Chemistry is bad for the brain. Did you like our tasty life hacks? Then comment below how you'd sneak food into college. Would you make a candy headband or hide candies in AirPods? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new college life hacks from Troom.